Welcome to Seniors Life Enhancement Center's Adult Day Program, located in Oakville, Ontario, serving residents of Mississauga and Halton regions. Seniors Life Enhancement Centers have two programs, the Gathering Place program and the Circle of Friends program. Both are located within the same building. The Circle of Friends program welcomes clients with Alzheimer's disease and related dementias, whereas the Gathering Place program welcomes frail or disabled clients with physical or cognitive impairments. The program runs Monday to Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m., as well as Tuesday and Thursday evenings from 3:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Seniors Life Enhancement Centers offer Saturday programming from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Seniors Life Enhancement Centers Adult Day programs include exercise and recreational activities such as bowling and bocce ball, crafts, sensory programs, pet therapy, group discussions, board and card games, as well as nutritious meals and snacks. Programs are designed to meet the needs of the individual. Seniors Life Enhancement Center's Adult Day programs also include bathing, foot care, hairdressing, aesthetics, oral care, and aphasia support. Transportation options include Red Cross, Region of Peel Transhelp, Oakville Caravan, or Family Drop-Off. The program is led by friendly, trained professionals within a secure environment that will help you feel comfortable and safe during your entire visit.
I like coming here because it's fun, it keeps me educated, it keeps me very active, and you learn a lot and you meet new friends, lots of activity, and the staff is very wonderful.
Please contact the program to set up a tour. The contact information is listed below. To be referred to this program, please contact your Mississauga-Halton CCAC Care Coordinator or call the Mississauga-Halton CCAC at 310-2222. Come enjoy time with others, doing activities you love, while your loved ones have peace of mind knowing you're safe and having fun.